Hello everyone, this is Sam from Tonic, either from Tonic Branding if you're a client or from the Tonic Theory if you're a student. In this video, I would like to show you how to set up your email signature in Outlook. Now, I'm assuming that you are using Microsoft Word, and I'm also assuming that if you're a client, you received your email signature from Tonic Branding, or if you're a student from the Tonic Theory, you've either created an email signature or one has been supplied to you and you just like to try it out. So for the purposes of this video, basically the problem that we're trying to solve is we have clients who don't necessarily use design software, and then we have designers who use design software, and we're trying to bridge that gap in terms of functionality. So we're trying to help the client to have an asset that's branded, but also functional that they can edit. And this is an age-old problem because designers and clients don't use the same software. However, we do want to be a creative problem solver. This is why we recreate our email signature designs in Word after the client has approved the email signature design that we might have created in Illustrator or another design program. Now we want to transfer that into a format that's usable for the client. So this video will focus on setting that up. In terms of designing the actual email signature in Word, I will make a separate video on that. Okay, so I am assuming that you have your Office Outlook open already, like I have got mine open here. And then also you want to go ahead and open your email signature that's been created in Word. What you'll see is a little crosshair at the top left here of your email signature, and you want to click on that to select everything. And then either you can say right click, copy, or you can press Control-C on your keyboard. Then you want to navigate to your Outlook interface. And this is the new Outlook interface. If you're on the classic version, then just click on the top left, I believe it's File, and then lower down to the bottom it says Options. So those are the only two steps that are kind of different from what you're seeing here. But for this purposes, we'll go to the Settings gear, and then we'll navigate to Signatures under Accounts. Let me just enlarge this. What you're going to do is you're going to place your cursor within the editable body of this dialog and press Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste your email signature in here. Now, as you can see here, I have all of my names, my designation, email addresses, and all the lovely details that we would like to have. And the beauty of this thing is that now it's editable. We can just copy and paste this for every staff member, and we can just change the name, change the designation. Today I might feel like I just want to be a creative consultant, or whatever you feel is applicable for that purpose. And maybe I want to change the color of the hyperlink. I'm not crazy about that. I'll change it to black. There we have that. All right, so those are the edits we can make, and this is within a constrained framework so that there's not a lot of things moving around, but you can change the text. And of course, you can update your hyperlinks. You can select that and then click on the Insert Link button. So for instance, if I also wanted to hyperlink my address with the Google Map URL, then I can just select that text, press on Insert Link, and then paste the URL from Google Maps in there, and that would be hyperlinked. And that's why I love creating email addresses within Word and paste them into Outlook, because they're from the same ecosystem. The formatting more or less stays the same, and you have it branded. So we have wonderful branded assets going out, but it's also editable for the client, as well as having different hyperlinks within your email signature instead of having one big image that's always pixelating and you can only hyperlink it to one URL. This is much more professional. And yes, then you'll give it a name. So maybe we'll say just signature for now, and we'll press save. And from there, we need to make sure that whenever we type new messages or reply or forward, we would like to use our signature that we've just set up. Click on save, and it is as easy as that. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.